I got out of the couch today for the first time for this live, and I have a couple of things that came up in my mind. My partner is obsessed with a little game on her phone called Township, and today I'm playing one that's called Game of Clans, something like that. It doesn't matter though. By playing this, because this is not one of my best moments, but I have to do something that takes my mind off of me feeling dizzy and sick all day long. I was thinking about how to make people more engaged in your business. And I will put an asterisk here mentioning a couple of things. You have noticed, if you are a member of a Facebook group, how now you have badges for top contributor, top commenting, and all these kind of things that actually give a sense of community and a sense of achievement to people. The same thing goes with these games that I mentioned before. My partner and I were playing today. You have different levels, and based on what you achieve, you improve level. Same goes with some other companies like Russell Branson's ClickFunnels, that he has these 2 Club awards for people that use his software to get awards when they overpass 1 million in revenue, or 10 million in revenue, or 100 million in revenue, this kind of stuff. So if you are having a business that has a membership feature, I don't care if it is in a self-hosted platform or in a Facebook group or whatever, there is a very nice way to keep your community even more engaged than before by creating milestones of achievement based on what you are teaching and what you help your people to improve. And when they reach these milestones, celebrate them with something physical if possible, not only a badge or something, like send them something physical, make them care to get this little mug or this little t-shirt or this little whatever it is, because a physical gift, a physical representation of reaching a milestone is something that offers this gratification, this instant gratification, and this sense of achievement that a lot of people need to be motivated to push and move on to the next stage. And yeah, that's my thoughts about me playing a phone game and having a couple of things in my mind about it. I believe that anybody that has a business that involves a community, they should reward their people based on achieving milestones of what they're teaching and what they're trying to help their people, their community with. The more you do it, the more you will see that your engagement will be higher. People will actually try to become better to get these milestones and these little gifts, and the more successful your community will be, because eventually people will care so much about these little physical pat on the back, and they will just put more effort in any, like I'm wearing now a cancer Research UK t-shirt, okay? The last time I actually subscribed for one of their, it was, I think, a year ago, about the burpees challenge. They sent me this t-shirt. And obviously this has to do with marketing and other stuff, but giving somebody a physical something when they subscribe or when they achieve what you want them to achieve, it always brings them joy, and it makes the thing more real, because we live in a digital world that almost everything we have in our hands is digital. So an ebook or a PDF or a membership that it is digital, so there is nothing physical to take in your hands, no leaflet, no playbook, no diary, no nothing. So please put physical gifts when your people reach milestones, and you will see a huge increase in how they will manage to interact with the whole community, and how much they will push forward and implement what you are teaching. Hello, this goes for physical product companies as well. When you have people that reach VIP levels of customers, let's say for example you're selling jewelry, and you have a customer that reached the £500 spent in the lifetime, send them a gift. This will make a big difference in how people will approach your business, because they will be rewarded for just being loyal clients, and people love to be rewarded for being loyal, for reaching a milestone. And you will not regret it. Yes, you might say we will add more expenses, or it will add more admin in the whole effort, in the whole business, but helping people get something rewarding back for the effort they put of being part of your community or supporting your business will help your business thrive, will help you get more eyeballs into your business, and will help your actual people be better and more engaged in what you do. This will help more people come in, and this will help people stay for longer too. And with this 5-minute chat about things, I think I'm very exhausted now and I have to go rest again. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow.